So I'm just going to say it. The crypto market right now is weird. That's my technical term. That's my technical analysis. After tons and tons of research and analysis, the market's weird. Here's what I mean by this. Look, and I think inside of this, the market's going to shock you. The crypto market is going to shock you soon. It's just a matter of when. Is it going to happen in February? Is the market going to take off? Or is it going to wait? January has been a weird month, hasn't it? I mean, look at everything we had happen this month. We had Trump being inaugurated. We all thought that we would just see a massive pump from that. We really didn't. We had executive orders coming out having to do with crypto regulation. We've got a new SEC task force that's pro crypto, looking to put some regulatory framework around how that'll unlock institutional money, et cetera. We've got the discussion of Bitcoin going into the National Reserve. We got the discussion of crypto being part of a national crypto assets stockpile. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. And yet it feels like everybody doesn't really care. It is a very weird market. It feels like nobody really cares. I have called no less than probably 5 or 6 of my buddies that are in crypto, that are content creators on X or here on YouTube, kind of asking them their opinion. Are they seeing something different? I mean, are they feeling the same? And every single one of them just starts laughing, and they're like, not laughing like laughing at people. They're just laughing like saying, yeah, man, it's weird, really odd and really strange. Because if you look at the numbers, I mean, if you look at this number, the entire crypto market capitalization is $3.580 trillion. All right. And if you look at the all-time, let me move the picture of me here. Hold on just a minute. And if you look at the all-time right here, you can see that the peak for crypto was about $3.7 trillion. That's the entire market. Okay. So we're literally only about 100 billion or so away from peaking back up over our all-time, high. And yet it feels like nothing is going on. It feels like, the market doesn't really care. Bitcoin's stuck in this consolidating range. Ethereum is, XRP, is bounced back all the way down to 265, bounced back. Everything is just almost like stuck in quicksand. And the discussion around, I think crypto is going to shock us. I think we're going to wake up one day and we're going to be like, holy crap, what just happened? There are those events that are out there that can be the spark. I think they're this. I think when Bitcoin is officially announced going into the U.S. Strategic Reserve, that's going to create literally a gold rush for Bitcoin. And to an extent, it will bleed over into crypto, because that will send Bitcoin 150, 200,000 like that. That's probably the single biggest event, because what will happen there, even if you don't own Bitcoin, don't care, it's going to lift all of crypto. But what will happen there is that you'll start to see all other countries out there, other companies, institutions, individuals like you and I rushing to buy. Oh my God, we got to buy Bitcoin now. I got to buy Bitcoin, right? Because the U.S. is being added to the U.S. Strategic Reserve. I think that's probably the biggest single thing. But the matter of is, when is that going to happen? When is that going to be announced? We don't know, right? The other thing out there that could happen is, to a lesser extent, there's discussion around this U.S. Crypto digital asset stockpile. It's hard to say all that and get it right. That's basically United States crypto companies being elevated and put on kind of this pedestal, if you will, of, okay, these are now going to be the main ones that we as the United States are going to focus on, and we're going to lift these guys up. And that's like XRP, XLM, HBAR, Algorand, Aave. There's others, right? There's actually a lot. If you think about it, there's a lot of them. But it's really intriguing that it feels like nobody cares. And by nobody, I really mean retail money. Institutional money's here. Institutional money is buying. They are buying. They are active in the market. They're doing their thing. They're buying and selling and making their 5-10%, moving billions of dollars in and out, making great margins and great spreads on that, and, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But there is trillions of dollars tied up in stablecoin right now. And I think a lot of it globally is sitting in the hands of retail investors, everywhere. And by the way, there's also talking points and discussions that we could see crypto adoption hit 10% globally. We're at about 6% right now. That's another 400 million people, retail investors coming into crypto by the end of maybe 2025. Because, everybody talks about, and me included, has talked about the fact that 2025 is going to be this major, massive bull run. But right now, it feels like people don't care. It feels like everybody's just like, I don't really care right now. And I think, again, retail investing dollars don't really care right now because they're going to wait until they see massive green candles, right? They're not going to come in until they see, green candles like just like this. This is Jasmine in the last, day or so is up 33%. But they want to see just this, massive green candle and Bitcoin and all this. And then they are, oh, I need to get in now. Whereas really, no, you should have already been in. You should already have, lower DCA, your cost average down and all that kind of stuff. But regardless, it's a very intriguing time. And I think a lot of people are going to be caught not prepared. And I'm making this video for you so that just kind of make you aware that there's all these fantastic and magnificent things. And we've got 4 years under Trump and under this current administration at a minimum, depending on what happens after that, after his term, who's next, et cetera, where we have a pro-crypto presidency, pro-crypto SEC, pro-crypto Senate, pro-crypto House, or at best, neutral House, neutral Senate. Things are changing, and they are, but nobody cares. Retail investors don't care. Institutional people, they do. They're waiting. They're coming in. They're here. They're not waiting. They're coming. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So before I let you go, if you're interested, this is my trading indicator. Gave a buy alert on Jasmine a day ago, 33%. $1,000 bought here would already made you a profit of $330. It gives you insight knowing when to buy and when to sell. This is XRP after the Trump got elected. Buy alert to a sell alert. It's 30 days, 400%. $1,000 bought here, sold here, would have made you a profit of over $4,000. XRP again, buy alert right here. And 27 days ago, 42% up right there. So give it a look. Links in the description below as well. If you're over on X, the links are below as well. All right. I'll see you. Take care.